Johnny. I signed up for this 3D course because I like to get into this hobby of 3D printing. I like this course because it's very hands-on. They let you teach you the design up to the actual 3D printing of your design product. I will recommend this course to my friends if they are interested in this engineering hobby of 3D printing.
Hi, my name is Jess. Yeah, I signed up for this 3D course because I want to be on a trend to learn about 3D printing. I like this course because I get to design my own 3D and I can print my own 3D with my son's name. So I recommend people who want to learn about 3D and be on a trend to come for this course, and they have printers right behind.
Why do you sign up for this course?
So because our company is doing 3D printing and we wanted to learn more about it.
How do you find about this course?
Oh, this course is interesting and it gives me more exposure. Yeah.
Would you recommend this course to your friends and colleagues?
Yes, of course I do.
Yes. Yeah. Do you like this course?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.